Hello there, and welcome to What If, though. Today's topic, the truth about trees. Chances are, you've seen a tree before. They're pretty much everywhere. They grow really tall, have a bunch of leaves, and sort of just hang out for hundreds of years. They also make the Earth look green from outer space. But despite all this, what do you really know about them? You've probably heard that they collect sunlight, store water, and produce oxygen, but is that really all? Let's take a closer look. Beneath every tree is a tree beard. Now, this tangly network of nerve fibers and roots protect many of the tree's vital organs, such as the beak and the brain sacs. Trees wake up and go to sleep just like you and me, and this happens mostly in line with the change of the seasons. Evergreens are like the overachievers of the tree world. They pull a ton of all-nighters and hardly get any sleep at all. Want to know how old a tree is? Just count its rings. Every season, a tree will grow a new ring about its center. In places like Florida, where there are no seasons, trees simply do not age. The most important thing to understand about trees is that they are immune to gravity. Unlike you and me, where up is up and down is down, a tree believes itself to be hanging freely from the earth. They cling for dear life in the soil while their tails hang about in the dead of space. Like a net in the sea, a tree uses its spread of leaves to collect sunlight that is beamed at the earth from the fiery and gaseous center of our solar system, which it later converts into lava. Now, trees crave water as a means to keep their internal processes cool during this steamy business of magma production, and they lap it up nearly as fast as they pump that lava out. Too much lava beneath the crust, and you're likely to see the phenomenon known as volcanoes start popping up and spewing forth that excess hot stuff. Deforestation is thus an effort to keep these flows in balance. Trees eat mostly birds and small mammals that wander into their many traps, and in turn dispose of this waste in the form of nuts and seeds. We find these byproducts appealing, and fashion them into snacks and fancy nibbles, like pistachios. This is known lovingly as the circle of life, though in reality it is more of an M shape. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and that you'll like, subscribe, and share, so that you won't miss another informative session, and so that others in your life can learn the truth about one of nature's most peculiar and sophisticated macroorganisms. Be sure to tune in next time when we discuss the Postal Service and the fabrication of mail.